If you're new to trading, here are 5 common mistakes that new guys make. Mistake number 1 is jumping in without a plan. Listen, first and foremost, you need to make a trading plan. Don't jump into it blindly when you just got some money to spend and start trading it just based on your gut feelings. Trust the numbers, not your guts. It's one of the biggest mistakes that new traders make. So you have to go in with a trading plan. Develop a plan that outlines your entries, your exit strategies, your risk management, and everything. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. So stick to that plan. Mistake number 2 is over trading. Another mistake that these newbies make is often over trading. Trading too frequently or taking too many risks with so much money. Listen, I get it. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but the market wants more. And my friend, that can lead to poor decisions and quickly wipe your account. It's gambling and it's pretty addictive. The way to avoid this is to only trade when there's clear opportunities in the market and once again, sticking to your trading plan. Mistake number 3 is not using stop loss orders. Forex trading is all about managing risk. And that's why you need to set up a stop loss order, because it's essential for managing your risk. Lots of people tend to focus solely on profits and they forget about their losses, which is an inevitable part of trading. So a stop loss order will allow you to limit your losses if a trade goes against you. Many newbies, they don't set up these orders, which will lead them over trading and leading to big losses. It's all connected. So always use stop loss trading and protect yourself from losing your capital. Mistake number 4 is following others blindly. You might get started following a whole bunch of YouTubers and TikTokers that give you these tutorials. But here's the thing, don't rely on others to make your trading decisions for you. Listen, it's useful to get this advice and input from these guys, but ultimately you need to make those decisions based on your own research and analyzing the stock market yourself. Use demo accounts, paper trading, and gain experience so that you can get the confidence to go in there and make your own money. Mistake number 5 is trading with emotions. Really, emotions are your worst enemy when it comes to trading. Excitement, fear, greed, and FOMO, the fear of missing out, can cloud your judgment and lead to bad decisions. So try keep your emotions in check and stick to your trading plan. Also take breaks from trading when you get a bit too emotional. And there you have it, the top 5 mistakes that Forex newbies will often make and how you can avoid them. Remember, Forex trading can be profitable, we get that, but it's important to make an approach that is clear and head-on. And if you can do that, you'll be on your way to a success in the Forex world. And what you gotta do is stay safe out there, traders.